This is Rich with Rich Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to record the screen of your iOS device. If you have an iOS device like an iPad, these are the steps you can use in order to record anything on your screen. The first step is to access your settings icon. If you tap on that or access that, it brings you to this screen right here. And this screen contains a little bit of menu on the left and a little bit of menu on the right. Now the left side of the screen contains main menus and the right hand contains the sub menus of what you've selected from the left. In this case we have the general tab selected on the left side, and on the right side we have the sub menus of the general menu. As you can see at the very top on the right side is the general name right there. So this is the general menu containing the about, software update, airdrop, all the way you go down until shutdown. In our case, we want to do a screen recording. We want to enable the screen recording function. So what we do on the left side, we go one step lower than the general menu. I don't know if it may look different in your iOS device, but in this case, just below the general menu on the left is the control center. If you select that or tap on it, you'll have a different sub menu on the right. This new sub menu of course has the control center at the top there, and going down it you find different sub menus. Basically it's divided into two. The upper portion has the included controls, which have the red circle on the left side, and below this we have the more controls sub menus, which have the green circles on their left side. Now the red circles have negative signs inside them and the green circles have positive signs inside them. What this basically means is that the red circles are beside those menus which have already been enabled. That is the included controls. So these are already enabled, like in our case here, silent mode, timer, camera, accessibility, shortcuts, notes, Apple TV remote, and screen recording, what we are talking about today, have already been enabled in this iPad. This is iPad Air 2. Below this we have the more controls. More controls have the positive sign in the green circle. So what this means is that you can add these controls at the bottom side of the screen to the upper screen where we have the included controls, and what you'll achieve by doing that is that you'll be enabling the menus which are on the lower screen to be active by placing them on the top screen. Now this is what we want to do. We talked about screen recording and that's what is our aim, but we want to use another sub menu. In this case we want to use the first menu on the lower screen. The lower screen, the first menu is alarm. If we tap on the green circle next to the alarm menu, if you tap on it, the alarm menu will go right up and be included in the above controls or the included controls. This means that the alarm function is now enabled, so you can use the alarm function on your iOS device. Now if you return it back to the lower sub menus, first of all, how do you do that? You just tap on the negative sign which is in the red circle, and this will give you an option to remove or not. That's on the right side. And if you want to remove it, you just tap on the red rectangle there with the remove word there. If you don't want to remove, you tap anywhere on the screen and that one is hidden. So if you want to remove it from there, we don't want the alarm to be active, we tap remove and it comes back down to the inactive controls. The inactive controls are the green lower ones, active controls are the red upper ones, if you get my drift. Now we want the screen to be active, screen recording. Of course, as we can see here, the screen recording is amongst the active controls. I already moved it up there before using the same steps I use with the alarm menu, and I already did that because I'm recording this video using that functionality of screen recording. So you can see it's really working. And if I am to remove it, I tap on the red circle beside it. I can tap on the remove tab there at the end to remove it, but I wouldn't do that for obvious reasons. I'm using it to record this video. So for you to disable it or to remove its functionality, you just tap on the remove red box there, and it'll go down back to the more controls. Right now it is activated. We did the same thing. We tapped on the green circle with the positive sign while that controls on the bottom half, and the screen recording moved to the included controls up there, so it is now active. Now once you do that, you're ready to record your screen. You can put away now this screen. You can just scroll from lower to the upper part and minimize your window of settings, and you can tap anywhere on the screen and make it disappear. One more thing you might have noticed at the top right hand corner of my screen, red recording, let's say a rectangle with smooth sides. It shows I'm using this to record. But let's go see where this is really happening. Now you can slide on your iOS device from the top right hand corner with your finger, slide downwards, and you'll get these sub menus or quick sub menus. These quick sub menus, as you can see on mine, enable you to do quick adjustments to your iOS device. I think you can see from your screen, one already is highlighted in blue. That's the wireless. I can tap it, it goes off. Tapping it again, the Wi-Fi functionality comes on. There is the Bluetooth beside it. I can tap that and the Bluetooth functionality comes on. If I tap it, the Bluetooth functionality is disconnected, as this it's saying there on the screen. And you can do other functions. You can increase your volume, as you can see there, and also you can increase the lighting on your screen. So these are the quick functions with this menu. However, what we're really interested in is the red blinking dot in a red circle, just at the bottom right corner of these commands. This shows that our screen recording is on. In other words, I'm recording this video. So this is already on. And if you long press on that blinking dot, if you long press on it, it will give you another sub menu which shows you what is really happening on the video recording or screen recording bit only. At the very top there is a screen recording menu, and at the bottom of it there is a stop recording tab. You can tap on that if you want to stop recording. Below this we have the microphone icon, and this is in red. In both of these cases, if you have the red color, it shows that all those features are on. In other words, now I'm screen recording, it's recording this video, and below that there is the microphone in red, which means the microphone is picking up my voice while I'm making this video. Now if I continue talking and press on the microphone, my voice, and if I unmute by tapping on the microphone button again, the video will pick up my voice, the recording will pick up my voice again. We can do that many times to show you what's really going on. I have repeated myself there because I tapped on the microphone button again. So that's how you record. And when you're finished recording your screen or anything you're performing on your screen, you can tap on the stop recording in this menu, or you can go back here and tap on the red dot, or you can go back to your main home screen and tap on the red blinking rectangle like thing on the top right hand corner there next to the battery sign there. And if you tap on that, you can quickly stop your recording, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, you liked it, it's informative, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can consider hitting the notification bell so that you can get to know when the next videos like this come out. Thanks for your time, guys. Now we stop the video.